keep you informed. One decision is they have taken decision to appoint Srikanth Manapuri engineer Chicago. Now he has experience in water supply. To take advantage of his experience and knowledge about water supply, everyone will know Srikanth. He has been engaged to go through all schemes and tell us what is the problem that is causing. Actually, every day we are pumping around 500 MLD water. Theoretically, this is 1.5 times of requirement of the state. And there are many areas which are already getting 24 hours of water. Consumers suffer from that. So, it is inefficiency and bottlenecks of the distribution network which actually is causing problem and not quantity of water available. Now, I get report of water supply scheme wise every day in my email. And I am observing that none of the areas, mota areas get less, but you will still find complaints from some pockets. It's very simple. If there are 100 pockets, then 3 pockets don't get water, then complaint comes. No one, 97 areas which is getting water, no one is writing in the media or complaining. And this is sometimes how things are brought to a higher level. So we have appointed him to examine all these so that we can work out tail-end problem solution. And also improvement in the plants. आता कितें लायट गेली थ्रू ब्रेक डावन जालो जाल्यार सगळी सिस्टीम डावन जाता कॅपॅसिटी जर तूं लायट फील आसा जाल्यार ऑलवेज अ शॉर्टेज इफ दीस कायंड ऑफ थिंग्स हॅपन देर शूड बी एक्स्ट्रा कॅपॅसिटी अवेलेबल म्हणून तो ताणें ऑलरेडी अभ्यास चालू केलो गॅरमेंटाचा ही हॅज ऑलरेडी गिवन डिटेल्स ऑन हॉस्पिटल प्लांट हे अजून पर्यंत जो इम्प्रूवमेंट करतलो आशिल्लें it was probably problem of solution card. Well planned guarantees 25-30 वर्षाचे exercise करून तो करचो म्हणून तो सगळ्या पडटा. Either for consultant with knowledge you can do it faster. You have to study the tree.